Hello, this is CS50AI 2020's Project 1B Minesweeper. In this project, I have implemented all the functions as per specifications mentioned in the project statement, and the AI can play the entire game. In the beginning, the moves are made randomly till a cell with count 0 is exposed, and during these random moves, if a mine is encountered, then game is lost. Otherwise, the AI makes safe moves as long as safe moves are available, and as game progresses, mines are identified one by one, and once all the mines are identified, the AI wins the game. So let me run this game. So run. So the Pygame window opens and I'll play the game. So initially the move will be random move, and because cell with number 2 is exposed, so we don't know any safe cells around anywhere. So again a random move, again a random move, again random move, and now because a cell with number 0 is exposed, so these three are safe cells. So now next move will be in one of these cells, and now I'll continue playing. Oops. So now no moves left to make, and the AI has identified all the mine cells which have been flagged, and the AI has won the game. I can play once more to see how it goes. And again, because a cell with 0 is found, so now I have just pressed and I'm holding the AI move button. So again the AI has won.